What if I told you that a simple bell, the kind you might hang at your door, could bring surprising magic to your garden? It may sound unusual, but when placed correctly, this little trick can change the way your plants and space come alive. Here's how it works. Take a small bell, lightweight and weather safe is best. Hang it gently on a low branch or among your plants where the wind can move it. As the breeze stirs, the bell creates soft vibrations and sound waves. This isn't just pleasant music for your garden. It actually helps deter pests like birds, squirrels, and insects that might otherwise damage tender leaves, flowers, and fruit. The gentle chime also acts as a natural stress reliever for you when you walk through your green space, creating harmony between gardener and nature. Over time, you'll notice fewer nibbled leaves, healthier blooms, and a garden that feels more alive with energy. Some gardeners even say the constant vibrations encourage stronger growth, as if the plants are responding to their environment. So, next time you think of adding something decorative, don't just choose an ornament, choose a bell. It's beauty, protection, and balance in one simple step. Stay curious, stay green, and let nature surprise you.